Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to delete your NYT Games account. To delete your New York Times Games account, you'll need to first of all open up your NYT application on your mobile device and from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. From the settings menu that pops up on the screen, tap on Manage Your Account. From the settings menu that pops up on the screen, tap on Privacy Settings. From the Privacy Settings, tap on Delete My Account. Remember that if you proceed to delete your account right now, you will permanently lose access to all of your history and data associated with this account. You will no longer be able to use features that require a New York Times account, so make sure to be sure about your decision. After you are sure you no longer need the account, tap on Delete Account. Click on Delete Account once again to confirm. And that's how you easily delete your New York Times account. Your deletion process may take a few hours to complete and you will now be logged out of your account. So that's how you easily delete your NYT Games account in just a few simple steps. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.